Here's a fresh idea. The dairy industry is committing to carbon neutrality by 2050. Dairy is a firm staple of the American household. For centuries, dairy farming has been critical to our economy and environment. But today, for farmers to produce dairy that's as sustainable as it is delicious, some powerful new approaches are underway. So what's on the horizon? Every time a cow belches or poops, it comes with a release of methane, a greenhouse gas. Of course, most human activity releases emissions. But if the cows themselves emit methane, how can dairy farmers move the needle on greenhouse gases? Ever hear of cow power? That's the conversion of methane into usable energy, called biogas. That energy can then supplement electric power for entire communities. And while cow power and cows look different across the country, every dairy farm innovates for sustainable progress. So let's see how dairy farmers get it done. First off, diet. Dairy farmers can feed their cows a diet that reduces methane, resulting in belches with less methane from the start. Secondly, the four-chambered stomach. A dairy cow unlocks nutrients from the parts of plants humans can't eat. This minimizes food waste, which in turn reduces emissions from landfills. Third is the digester. Many dairy farmers have installed biodigesters to generate energy from manure. As it breaks down cow waste, biogas is generated and captured. That can be used for electricity, heat, compressed natural gas, and even vehicle fuel.
Their manure actually can give you additional power to manage the whole farm. So the rest is also a fertilizer that you use your crops to grow.
In 2018, cow power from digesters led to greenhouse gas reductions equivalent to taking nearly 1 million cars off the road for a year. Sustainably raised and fed dairy cows means more methane reductions, more energy for our communities, and more nutritious dairy products in our food system.
If everybody could have access to milk and animal source food, then you would eliminate a lot of the nutritional imbalance that we see.
Having the dairy industry go carbon neutral by 2050 is a big goal. And while there's still work to do, cow power is one important step. So while it seems like just a carton of milk, a spoonful of yogurt, or a slice of cheese, dairy can also be a part of an environmental solution.